now is the raining season. I think already entered the raining season in Thailand. So just finished the rain to still see the ground is still wet. 5月份感觉已经进入泰国的雨季了。
你是明月清风，我是你照拂的梦。见与不见都一生与你相拥，而我将爱你所爱的人间，愿你所愿的笑颜。你的手我蹒跚在牵，请带我去明天。如果说你曾苦过我的甜，我愿活成你的愿，愿不忘啊，愿永忘啊，这盛世每一天。
哇，倾盆大雨。Just 1 minute ago, I was playing my tennis, but after 1 minute, it's a heavy rain. So I just stopped by a noodle stall for a beef noodle. Okay, I think the beef looks good. 1分钟前还是在打网球啊！1分钟之后，已经是倾盆大雨了。倾盆大雨。Okay, today I met two friends here. He came from Germany, but born in Black Mountain. 在黑山共和国出生，在德国长大的。他邀请我加入他的俱乐部啊，一个月就200泰铢而已啊。如果按次算呢，一次是50泰铢，也是很便宜的。This court belong to the Ministry of Natural Resources. 自然资源部这个网球场旁边是一个广播站应该是议会电视广播站议会电视台，但是它也有这个收音机台啊。It's called Paramount TV Station, FM frequency 87.5. Your name is Momo, huh? Momo. 这边的龙台人Your wife told me. Oh. Okay. Good. Shop 啊 ，shop。他意思说让我等待时机的点，应该手要摆好。已有5年没打网球了，有点生疏了。好 ，I think I had a good time here. Time to goodbye and continue my biking. I'll see you next video, friend. Okay, I continue my biking. Look at this big tree. Although it's small, but I get the same feeling as when I was in Chatuchak Park. Institute over there. Unit. Yeah, IPR, Institute of Public Relations. 公共关系学院啊，曼谷的公共关系学院。这个学院好像看着不是很大啊，有2个马，还挺有意思的。So they also put the side of the APEC 2022 Thailand because in this year I think in November APEC 2022 will be hosted by Thailand. It's a very big event, not only in Thailand but also in the world. Yeah, at that time if the pandemic is further controlled, I believe in-person event. I heard last year in APEC 2021 was held in New Zealand. Actually, it's like a virtual meeting, like a conference call via the video link. But hopefully this year, APEC 2022 in Thailand is an in-person event. Okay. Whoa. 乌龟跟这个鱼在争这个面包吃 ，so the turtle and the fish they are fighting for the bread. The two turtles they meet together. Okay, let's see how the turtle eating the bread. Okay, he's eating the bread now. 他在吃那个面包了。Oh, this is a big fish. In Chinese, we call this fish. The name could be big head fish, 大头鱼。Big, oh, big head fish. Another one. Oh, the big turtle coming out. Wow. You are coming. So we can compare you to the small one. The small one look like this, but the big one look like this. He's looking at my camera. Hi. Hello. Sorry, I don't have more bread. I don't have bread for you. You're looking at me. I'm sorry, no bread. Oh, the bread here. One more here. กินได้啊，กินได้. No, the bread is behind you. Oh, 他找到了. Okay, he found it. I think they need a radar. They need a radar to navigate where the food is. They don't know where the food is. 哦，那个乌龟啊，用那个右手啊，去摸它的头，摸它的脑袋。It's kind of cute. He uses his right hand to massage his head. Wow, big fish. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Oh, you come up again. I come to the Lotus flower pond again this weekend. Let's see what's the difference today. Okay, some children crying over there. 红油这个荷花池 ，OK， 这个荷花很大 ，It's really big. 这叫含苞欲放。
I already buy 17 kilometers, starting from my room in Huihuang. 17 kilometers.
Right now I'm in Ali PTS. Today rain too much. ฝนตกมากๆ I already stopped 2 times because of the rain.